over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. Keep it to a Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Stellenbosch 0. I'm joined by China.
Steve Njayam.
Sure, money.
What a game of football, beautiful game of football.
Yes.
Like I said last time, Beng City, this is the league engasayi kuzifana nenye league.
Yeah.
It will be first time sibona iBhakania liwishela ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingawin.
Yeah.
First time ever in history.
In the
history of South African football. It will be first time seeing amaGrootman abo Braje they wishela ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs win.
Since the beginning of
PSL. And it will be first time ukubona amaKaizer Chiefs supporters wisho ukuthi team yabo ilose. We've seen Kaizer Chiefs supporters frustrated as losers sitting, but at this time sibona ukuthi now I win izo celebrate all of us. The reason why isenzeka lento, we don't have, as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we don't have a problem with Orlando Pirates as a club. We have a problem with supporters of Orlando Pirates. That's a problem. Now we already know that if you check on their pictures, they are already telling us Guti Bona they lifted 2 trophies. So imagine if ever they win a league. So it means that it means that
but is it a lie that we have taken?
No, it's the truth.
Okay.
We don't dispute that, but the problem yabo bona iwin yabo bayifuna uyicelebrate ngathi. So nathi sizovika. But angikho lapho. But the only thing Stibo that today engifuna ukuyisho it will go straight to Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Minister uGatin. We don't dispute the process yakhe ayisebenzisile, but we have so many things that we are questioning ourselves in the process yakhe ayisebenzisile. Did he use all the platform ukuthi I announce applications zakhe asiyazi. However, to Minister, I think as much as we are here, we know the people that have been contributing in this South African football. Brawam, there's something we call it center line Orlando Pirates. Those are the fans. They motivate players. We don't dispute the people that you have chosen.
Sure.
There's something we call a center line in South African football. Minister, I know that he's a minister, but he's far from football. Minister is just a minister, but even the people that minister nabo asebenzisane nabo, abo Robert Marawa, those are the people they are just TV personalities and radio presenters. Abekho fan base. They don't understand what do we see on the fans. Yini econnectisa ama fans and players. Brawam ku center line. We can't dispute that the channel ama fans were to TV ikhulise is South African football. If ever Stibo ama fans were to TV won't be part of this World Cup, Minister somele simplay mega cool, because of it will mean that ube good my fans. There are 2 people Brawam now and it's about deserve ukuya ku World Cup. Kula uthuna slot ezi4 esele. I wish Minister if ever ufuna usibona nathi si happy as South African football supporters. Sifuna ubona uSthibo. This is the guy who makes football to us ibe interesting. This is the guy okhulise ifootball. Sifuna ubona outsama. We call ama supporters from ama fans wethu TV. If ever whoever we gonna see it makuthiwa makuyiwe ku social media. Abo Vino bayayazi leyo. Ukuthi uVino bayayazi ukuthi you are always in every stadium. Raining, cold, hot, kunjani njayam. You travel without even a single sponsor. Now it will uthina singama fans abala South Africa, when we see you there sizokhona ukconnect now, because of we understand ukuthi how you actually making this whole football thing ibe interesting. Most presenters from that side sibe silana, we will definitely feel ukuthi sikhona stadium. So siyacela ku Minister that there's a channel. This is one of the biggest channel. I think it has 1.5 million followers kuma platform amaningi. This is a channel esicabanga ukuthi it will be the best ukuthi athathe le channel nabo Brapop samaGrootman ashaya drum. The people have chosen asibazi ku drum, asibazi kuma fans. Yebo ngama fans asiphikisi. Congratulations to them, but to these ones esiyazi ukuthi these are the people abenze football interesting. Bakhona bompendulo Brawam, bakhona boZuma eLoftus ePitori. Thina we know the fans who make stadium shake sibe mnandi. Zuma ePitori, umpendulo eOrlando Baphi lawo fans? Why we don't see those fans? We know the fans. Schipo Njayam siyacela Minister uGatin, we don't want to take this matter too far whereby we're going to appeal for it. We are able to appeal as fans. We can appeal for him. If ever then that's the case, we need to appeal for Schipo at the World Cup, then we will do so. But as for now, Minister, we are begging you, Minister, that there's this guy. This guy is Schipo. Make sure that this guy is part of the World Cup. If ever it's not, you don't do things like that, then we will know that Umalema was right when he says that izinto azikhulume kuwena.
Thank you, leadership.